Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are just joining me, I'm Javeness, and here we talk and do planty things. So if that interests you, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss out when I post new videos. So today's gardening topic is a succulent unboxing from none other than Succulent Box, to whom which I have partnered up with on this video, as they have sent me some succulents to unbox. And this Succulent Box is a company that specifically caters to the succulent lovers out there. On their site you can find many different varieties of succulents to choose from, so check them out. I also have a code that you guys can use on your purchase to receive a discount, so stay tuned till the end. Succulent Box is currently running a campaign to support the fight against COVID-19, so 2% of all the purchases will automatically go to the CDC Foundation, so it's just another way for you to get your plant on and also give back. So without further ado, let's open this thing and see what goods we got. All right. So we got some packing peanuts, and I do believe these are the biodegradable kind. Got my invoice here and a little care instruction card. I guess what I'll do is I'll just take all of them out of the box and then unpackage them. All right, so the first one is a string of pearls. These are one of my favorite, and this one is a really nice full 4-inch pot. I actually have a few of these already growing in my collection, and they did start off in 4-inch pots just like this. And let me show you what it's actually grown into now. Ta-da! So this string of pearls is growing in a 5-inch terracotta pot. And actually that is my #1 tip when growing string of pearls, is to grow them in terracotta pots. I've actually been growing this for quite some time. I did post a photo of it back in October on my Instagram, and it wasn't trailing this long, but since then it's taken off and is looking quite lovely. All right, on to the next one. Oh, hello, hello, hello. You guys, oh my goodness. So this is a string of dolphins growing in a 4-inch pot, and it is very full looking. If you look real close, you can probably tell why it is called a string of dolphins, because these really look like dolphins. Oh, how pretty! This is a Cressula springtime jade plant, also growing in a 4-inch pot. And now the last one. Ooh. Hello. Ouch! That hurt. Oh, it's so cute! This is a Mexican fence post cactus, and it is actually really cute looking. I do have a larger one growing, and these can actually get really big. So overall, I would have to say the quality of the plants look really good. There was hardly any plant damage, which is always a plus. The shipping did displace some soil, and it did get everywhere when I was unpacking it, but I'm actually not too worried about the plants because I am gonna pot them up. So let me do that real quick and then show you the finished product. Well guys, there you have it. Terracotta pots are my go-to anytime I am growing succulents and cacti. The terracotta pots is a very porous material, which is great for growing succulents and cacti in. So if you're interested in giving Succulent Box a go, you can use this coupon to receive a discount, and all the links and the information will also be in the description box below, so check it out. You guys can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook when I am not making videos. I am taking pictures, as there's always something new growing. And if you guys have any questions or just want to plant chat, you can always leave a comment in the space below. And as always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!